Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Fashionable. And in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you how I installed this wig right here. So let me start out by thanking my sponsor, Idefinewig, for sponsoring this video. And in the package, I received these goodies. And the wig that I'm gonna be working with is an 18-inch 13x4 beach curly wig with bangs, which we get into it more, okay? What I love about Idefinewig is that everything is optional when it comes to the length, the wig color, the cap size, and the density. You can increase. The wig that I received is a large, so inside the wig you have 5 wig combs and 2 adjustable straps, and the wig is stretchable. And with the hairline, it is pre-plucked and it's not pre-bleach. I know that I'm seeing pre-bleach on it, but it's not. I had to bleach the knots. Like, look at it. You can see the knots that is clearly not bleached, right? But I'm gonna do it. And with the lace, you can see it on my skin that is not really giving that skin tone effect there. Just know say the lace is not HD. Yeah, so the girl is gonna get busy, so just sit back and watch me do my thing, okay? So with a wig cap, I'm gonna go with this because I do prefer using this one instead, because when I use this I don't have to put on no foundation on it. So that's an easy work, you know, especially it's not HD and I'm not doing a bulk cap method. Like, why the extra work? Okay, so push it. See what I'm talking about? No foundation, no makeup. So what I'm gonna do now is put the makeup foundation on the lace, but first I'm gonna see how this actually fit on my head. I did went ahead and bleach the knots because it wasn't bleached. So and this is the texture of it. Definitely cut the lace off the back, but not because girl won't be able to see it. I'm gonna have to put my touch to this right now because the hairline is not really connected with mine. But you know what? Let us go with the foundation and the lace first. So I'm gonna cut the excess lace off right now, and the technique for this part is to cut it in a zigzag motion. Yo, that lace is there. What I'm seeing right here is that over here kind of lay better than over here, so right obviously need to be taken off to give it a little curve. I know it may not look like it's needed, but trust me, it does. Curve this so, curve yes so we're curving, yeah. So what I'm doing right now is just to seal the edges, you know, because I cut the lace off. So because of that, the edges is not so secure and it needed to be laying flat. It's looking pretty decent right now. I'm going in with paper towel and water, you know, damp it up and then just clean up the around the edges. I remember that it is a water-based product, so you can't really go too much in with it, just to clean up the edges as best as you can so it doesn't have that glossy look. So the next step is to melt the lace. So I'm using this lace melting spray, and with this part I have to move my hand fast because it would true. And I want it to lift. If I'm gonna reach this far, clearly you guys are in the party. So since I'm in the party, I go a proper vibe. So this is the look that I'm supposed to be giving, or I should say the wig's supposed to be looking like this. So since it doesn't look like it, I'm going to, you know, chop like framing the face to get it to look like this. You get me? So I don't want to cut too much, but I'm gonna get it that way. I really didn't want to pluck the hairline, but right off here to look too blunt. I don't really care for plucking to that. The hairline is too thick, so I have to like take out some hair to give it a realistic look, to go in a little bit more. Damn, I didn't want to do this, to be honest now, because the hair is not really as the description. So for me to even go in and plucking it too, I didn't want to do it. You know, I wanted you guys to see how it looks exactly without doing much to it. But here we are, we plucking. The hairline is looking okay now. Let me show you the parting space. See it turn now. Alright, so this is going on your bed. This is a parting space. I would say I do like the parting space compared to what is on the website. You get more parting space, what I'm seeing. I need to dress back a bit. I feel like I kind of too much. And I am done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say that the wig will kind of like it. And the reason why I say that is not really as the description of it, so it can mislead anyone, because it's supposed to be a wig with a bang, and I literally had to cut it in order to get the bang, right? So that is false information. Yeah, the description is not all the way truthful. With the texture of it, I do love it. You know, it's pretty fine. I don't have a problem with the quality of it. Even with the texture of the curl on it, it's more giving you like a loose wave, and this right here is water wave. The body of it is alright too, but the lace It's not the best, but it can work. Could have gone better, yeah. With the hairline, I'm not a big fan of plucking, so when I do pluck it, you can know say I'm trying to perfect it. What again I can say? That's about it when it comes to the wig. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
Said every time, girl, you are meant for me. Rich and me say it every time. Anytime we fuck, your legs them get so weak. And girl, your skinny don't feel me when me come in every time. Put your pan and back as no me darling. No fucking at the night, still a fucking at the morning. Pussy they are the greatest, girl I know for why. Love it and you're not basic, so you want to shine. And if a current for me up in every kind. She will power with me, go anywhere far.